Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell, that way you're always notified every single time I upload a video. Today's video is something I've never done on my channel before. It's actually something that I find myself watching these types of videos on YouTube a lot. It's really weird, I don't even know how I got into it, but I watch these videos almost every single day. So it's a Dollar Tree haul. For some reason, I love to watch what people find at the dollar store. So I decided to film my own because I just got back from the dollar store. This is probably the smallest dollar store haul you'll ever see. I didn't buy that many things, but I did want to share with you guys some really cute finds that I did grab. And if you're interested, then keep on watching. The first thing I got are these tapered candles. You get 2 in 1 package, and at Walmart you get 1 tapered candle for 72 cents. So to find 2 in a packet, that's a pretty good deal, and I got the ones in red. Next thing I got was some crazy glue or some super glue. It's a 2-pack, so that's a pretty good deal too. And what I'm going to be doing with these is decorating my jar candles. So I wanted to pick these up because I don't know what else will hold things onto glass. So I thought it was a really good deal, and I'm going to try it out. I'm going to test it out and see how it goes. Next thing I got was just a plain green notebook, and this one has 100 sheets in it. So that's a pretty good deal for 100 sheets. And they had a lot of different kinds of cute notebooks. There was like printed ones and ones with quotes on it and words and sayings and really cute like front covers, but at my dollar store I didn't see a lot of those. I see a lot of those being hauled, but I decided to pick one of these up because the front I can always just customize and decorate myself, and I like to use these as my to-do lists or my gratitude journals, or just to like make a list, shopping list, and then just tear it out and go to the store with it. So I always like to have like little notebooks handy. The next 2 things I got are these ribbons. So these are like, I don't even know what to call it. What are they called? They're called diamond wrap ribbons. I got one in red and I got one in green, and I'm going to be using this to apply onto my jar candles, and I'm going to be using the crazy glue or the super glue to attach it. So I'm going to see how that goes. But unfortunately at my dollar store they only had these 2 colors, and they had a purple, but I wasn't really interested in the purple ones. I wish I could find gold and silver, but this is all they had at my dollar store, so I'm going to be working with these. The next thing I got is this 120-piece mailing seals sticker set. So these are used to seal your envelope when you're mailing things, but I thought that it would be really cute to put like in planners or on my lists, and also to put in my journals and my, manifestation journals, which if you guys want a video on it, it is on my channel. But you could use this for so many different kinds of things. I'm going to use this to put on my jar candles as well. So I'm going to be decorating my jar candles tonight. That's why I kind of went to the dollar store to buy a whole bunch of stuff. This was a really good deal because you get 120 for $1. So I picked that up, and this was the last one there. And the last thing I bought was this 48 sheets Craft and Gold sentiment stack like papers. It's like really small papers, like I don't even know what it is, but it's like little cards. It's like little cards that have sayings in it. This one says "so great," and then there's hearts, and they're really, really pretty. They look very elegant. This one has XO, love. There's so many different kinds. This one has a lot of different kinds of writings on it. This one says "life is a party." And it's just really pretty, and I thought this would go really good in my planner, or just to stick around anywhere. Or even when I'm mailing out some of my packages, I can just throw these in there and write my thank you notes on there for you guys purchasing. And if you guys want, a link to my store is down below. So I picked that up, and this was the last one there. I feel like somebody was hiding it because it was like underneath a bunch of stuff, and I found it and I grabbed it. I wish my dollar store had more, but I'm glad I grabbed the last one. So that is it for my dollar store haul. Like I said, it was really, really short, and I had a lot of fun actually filming this. And if you guys did enjoy this, then let me know and I'll keep doing more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!